Hello and welcome to Everyday English Minutes. In today's episode, we're going to explore a very important topic: how to learn English effectively, step by step. Whether you're just starting or trying to improve your skills, this guide is for you. We'll break it down into simple, practical steps: speaking, listening, reading, writing, vocabulary, grammar, and most importantly, your mindset. You'll learn how to build strong habits and use the right tools to grow faster and more confidently. So, let's get started and take one step closer to fluent English together.
We are going to explore 8 effective and practical ways to improve your English, whether you're just starting or looking to take your skills to the next level. Number 1, set a clear and specific goal. Goal is very important. Don't just say, "I want to learn English." That's too general. Instead, define why you want to learn English and what success looks like for you. For example, I want to have a 10-minute conversation in English within 3 months. Or, I want to pass the IELTS exam within 1 year. Or, I want to watch English movies without subtitles. When your goal is specific and measurable, it becomes easier to stay motivated and track your progress. Break it down. Divide your big goal into small weekly or monthly steps. This way, you can celebrate progress often and stay inspired to keep going. Remember, without a clear goal, there's no clear direction. But with one, you're already on the road to success.
Number 2, focus on the 4 core skills. To learn English effectively, you must develop all 4 core skills: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Let's start with the first one, speaking. Speaking is a very important part of learning any language. Speak every day, no matter what. Don't wait until you're ready. Start speaking from day 1, even if it's just to yourself. Try this. Talk about your surroundings, your routine, or your thoughts, all in English. Describe what you're doing. I'm making tea. Now I'm going to work. Use speaking apps to enhance your skills. Practice with real people using free apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, or Speaky. They connect you with native speakers and learners around the world. Another way is shadow native speakers. What's shadowing? It's a technique where you repeat exactly what a native speaker says just after them. It helps you copy their pronunciation, tone, and rhythm. You can do this using YouTube videos, podcasts, or short clips. Another way is to record yourself. Speak, record, and listen. You'll hear your mistakes, fix them, and grow faster. Quick reminder: the more you speak, the more confident you become. Speak daily. Speak boldly. Fluency will follow. Second skill is listening. It's also a powerful tool. By listening every day, train your ears, train your brain. To speak better, you must first listen better. Listening helps you understand pronunciation, tone, and natural sentence flow. Here's how to improve it step by step. First of all, watch with purpose. Start watching English TV shows, YouTube channels, or movies. Use subtitles at first. Then slowly try watching without them to test your understanding and listening level. Secondly, listen to podcasts. Choose podcasts made for English learners. A great one is The English We Speak by BBC Learning English. Short, fun, and easy to follow. Listen actively. Don't just listen. Pause, repeat, and mimic what you hear. Try to copy the tone and speed of the speaker. Sure. Thirdly, try dictation practice. Play a short audio clip and try to write down what you hear. This sharpens both listening and writing at the same time. Want more? If you'd like a full episode just on listening skills, drop your opinion in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Motivation tip: listen like a child, with curiosity and attention. Your ears are the door to fluent speaking. Third skill is reading. reading with full attention to the book, newspaper, etc. By reading, feed your mind with English. Reading is one of the best ways to grow your vocabulary, improve grammar, and boost confidence all at once. Here's how to do it right. First of all, read what you love. Don't force boring books. Choose content that excites you. Short stories, articles, blogs, news, comics, anything you enjoy. Secondly, use graded readers. These are special books made for English learners, with simple language, step-by-step difficulty, and interesting topics. Pick a level that matches your ability. Thirdly, read aloud. Yes, read with your voice. This helps improve pronunciation, speaking fluency, and memory. Don't feel shy. Speaking aloud builds confidence. Fourthly, learn vocabulary in context. Don't just memorize word lists. Instead, learn new words in sentences and stories. That way, you'll remember how and when to use them. Quick reminder, reading is like exercise for your brain. The more you read, the stronger your English becomes. First skill is writing. Express yourself in English. Writing helps you organize your thoughts, build confidence, and remember what you learn. It's a skill that improves with practice, not perfection. Starting with daily journals. Write short entries about your day, your thoughts, or your plans in English. Even 3 to 5 sentences a day will help you grow fast. Practice real-world writing. Secondly, try writing. Short emails, social media captions, messages to friends, or even simple essays. This helps you use English in everyday life. Thirdly, use smart tools. Apps like Grammarly or Language Tool can help you correct grammar, spelling, and sentence structure. They show your mistakes and teach you how to fix them. Get feedback. Join online forums or language exchange apps. Ask native speakers to review your writing and suggest improvements. It's a great way to learn and connect. The last but not least final tip is, the more you write, the more confident you'll become. Practice daily because progress comes with repetition. Remember the golden rule. Practice doesn't just make perfect. It makes progress. Number 3, build a practical vocabulary. Don't waste time on difficult, rare words. Start with simple, everyday words and phrases you can actually use in real life. You can start learning about greetings, numbers, directions, food, feelings, and common questions, as well as learn phrases, not just words. Phrase like, how's it going? Like, can I help you? Phrase like, I'm not sure. These are real-life chunks that help you speak fluently and naturally. Also use smart tools to learn vocabulary effectively. Download flashcard apps like Anki or Quizlet to review your vocabulary daily. They make learning fun and fast. Use spaced repetition. Review words again and again, especially the ones you forget. This helps you remember forever, not just for today. Motivation tip: words are your tools. The more useful your tools, the stronger your communication. So learn smart. Speak smart.
Number 4, master basic grammar. Speak first, perfect later. You don't need perfect grammar to start speaking English. Forget the pressure. Start with the basics you actually need. Tenses that matter. Present, I go. Past, I went. Future, I will go. Keep it simple, not stressful. Build sentences like this: subject plus verb, object. Example, I eat rice. She loves music. Start from simple sentences, then add new words to elaborate it. Learn to ask simple questions and the way to answer. Question like, do you like it? Answer is yes or no. Question is, do you know? Answer is I don't know. Start with simple one and practice more and more. Know your connectors. Words like because, but, so make your speech smooth and natural. Start with simple one, then start connecting one with another. In this way, you can improve your level. use grammar in real life. Don't just memorize rules. Read, listen, and practice in real situations. That's how grammar becomes easy. Motivation tip. Fluency doesn't wait for perfect grammar. Speak now, fix later. Every mistake is a step forward.
Number 5, use the right tools. Learn smarter, not harder. The secret to fast English learning? Use the right tools that make learning fun, easy, and effective. Like top language apps for daily practice? Top 4 list here as reference. Duolingo/Memrise. Fun games plus useful vocabulary. 2. BBC Learning English app. Structured lessons with audio-video. 3. Smart flashcards using spaced repetition. 4. HelloTalk or Tandem. Chat with native English speakers. Powerful websites to learn English for extra learning? Top 3 lists for your reference. 1. Lingo. Learn English by reading and listening to real content. 2. lo.org. 1,000 plus free audios and video lessons. 3. newsandlevels.com. Read real news in easy English, Level 1. Must subscribe YouTube channels to enhance listening skills. Speak English with Mr. Duncan. Fun and full of energy. 2. English Addict. Great for listening and new words. 3. English Class 101. Beginner to advanced, all levels. 4. BBC Learning English. Trusted, clear, professional. Motivation tip. You don't need a classroom. Just your phone, headphones, and 5 minutes a day. The right tools equals faster progress plus more confidence.
Number 6. Train your mindset. Success starts in your head. Learning English is not just about words, it's about how you think. A strong mindset will take you further than any textbook. Be consistent. Small steps win big. Just 15 to 30 minutes every day is better than 3 hours once a week. Daily habits equals daily progress. Don't fear mistakes. Welcome them. Every mistake means you're learning. If you're not making mistakes, you're not pushing yourself. Stay curious. Ask, explore, grow. Heard a new word or phrase? Write it down, look it up, try to use it. Curiosity is your superpower. Make it fun, enjoy the journey. Watch movies in English. Listen to English songs, laugh at memes, play English games. Learning should never be boring. Mindset reminder, don't just study English, live with it. Love the process. Respect the effort. Enjoy the ride.
Number 7. Create an English world around you. Want to learn English faster? Don't just study it. Live in it. Surround yourself with English every day, everywhere. Turn your phone into your teacher. Set your phone, browser, and apps to English. You'll learn without even trying. Every time you swipe or scroll, follow English-speaking accounts. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Follow English creators. See how real people speak, write, and express themselves. Watch real English content. YouTubers, streamers, podcasts, make them part of your daily life. Start with fun topics you enjoy. Gaming, cooking, travel, comedy. Talk to herself. Yes, really. Say what you're doing. I'm making tea. Now I'm going outside. Narrate your thoughts, questions, or plans in English. It builds confidence and fluency fast. Join English forums and communities. Reddit, Quora, Discord. Ask, answer, explore. Practice real conversations with people around the world. Motivation tip. Don't wait for English class. Make your whole life your classroom. Immerse yourself, and fluency will follow.
Number 8, review and reflect. At the end of each week, ask, what did I learn? What confused me? What will I focus on next week? Every month, test yourself. Can you write more, speak more fluently, understand more from TV? Keep a simple progress log. This helps you stay motivated.
Perfect 30-minute English practice routine. Easy and powerful. Just 30 minutes a day can take your English to the next level. Here's a fun and focused plan to improve all 4 skills. every day. 10 minutes listening practice. Watch a short English video, TED Talk, vlog, or lesson. Write down 3 to 5 new words or phrases. Tip: try to understand the meaning without subtitles first. 10 minutes speaking practice. Repeat what you heard. Record yourself, listen and correct. Or use a speaking app like HelloTalk or Tandem to chat with someone. No partner? No problem. Talk to yourself. 5 minutes vocabulary review. Use flashcard apps like Quizlet or Anki. Review words from today and yesterday. Say the word, spell it, and use it in a sentence. 5 minutes writing practice. Write 4 to 5 simple sentences about your day. Use some of the new words you learned. Example: today I watched a video about space. It was interesting. Motivation boost. Small daily steps. Big lifetime results. Consistency is your superpower. Start using English from day 1, even if it's just 1 sentence. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Be active, not just a watcher. Watching videos is good, but speaking, writing, and asking questions are even better. Learn by doing. Learn what you love. Do you like sports, music, science, fashion? Use those topics to practice English. It keeps learning fun and exciting. Focus on connection, not perfection. You don't need to know every word. You just need to communicate, express your ideas, and understand others. Never give up. Most people quit too early, right before their breakthrough. You're closer than you think. Keep going. You've got this. Goodbye, and see you in the next minutes.